Hey everybody, it's time for Silly Songs with Adam, part of the day where Adam loves to sing you a silly song. I have one of our favorite friends, Petrie, here. I'm here. Petrie, what kind of song are we going to sing for the kids today?
Oh, it's gonna be a favorite. Row, row, row your boat.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, what is it?
There's a spicy little catch.
A spicy little catch. What could that be?
I'm gonna give you a different voice to do.
Can I use my voice for the first one?
Yep, but after that, it's all on me.
Okay, I'm going to do my best.
All right, let's see what you got. Hit it.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Grover.
Grover from Sesame Street?
Uh-huh.
Hello, boys and girls, it is I, Grover. Row, row, row your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Now do a moose.
A moose.
Row, row, row your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Now do a pirate.
A pirate?
Arr, hello, me hearties, look at me hook. Row, row, row your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a pirate's hook stream.
I think you got it. And now I can sit on your shoulder just like you would a real pirate.
I'm so glad you're on my shoulder, and I'm so glad you're teaching me how to sing good songs. Thanks for letting the kids hear Row, row, row your boat.
I love boats, and I love pirates, and I love crackers. Polly want a cracker?
Yes, I'm sure I can find you a cracker.
Yay! All right, see you later, kids. I'm gonna get a treat.